Alright, this is one of my new friends I just met. This is codenamed TrainConductorJ. Jay, you see anything down there?
Yeah, there's a train stop down there, and then there's one in the comes pretty soon.
Come on closer, I don't think they heard you.
There's a freight train that's not down there, and then there's another train down there sitting. It looks to be like the yard, and it might be the Amtrak, because CXS owns the tracks, and the Amtraks have to wait for the CXS to go by.
Right, because the CSX has the tracks, but the Amtrak only has trackage rights.
Right.
Not sure if there's anything the other way. Let's take a quick look.
Nope, doesn't look like it.
Didn't think so. Well, just check back this way one more time.
Like it's two engines.
That's when they had one in the middle. That wasn't a very long train for one in the middle.
Hey Jay, we got confirmed, right?
Confirmed CXS intermodal.
Ready? Here she comes.
First engine 415.
Is that confirmed Amtrak, Jay?
Confirmed Amtrak.
Roger that. Amtrak train 64, Maple Leaf, bound for New York City, inbound.
Hey partner, move that off that yellow line for me.
Sure thing.
Thank you. Here we go, folks. Now arriving at Great Point, Street 64 East on Maple Leaf. This is the scheduled 109 departure final stop of the York Station.
New York City.
There's another train. Did I say on track 4?
Yeah, we got confirmed, I believe, CXS. Not double stacked this time, I don't believe.
I see it. It's an auto rack.
Final track, auto rack. Confirmed CXS auto rack train. Most outerly track.
On track 4. There you have it, folks. We are just swarming with trains today. Holy cow! And there's even another one on the siding right over there. I'm going to show you guys that right now. You look right in there where that headlight is, right over there on the left, next to the silver pole. You see it? Hey, Jay.
Yeah.
We got it confirmed?
Confirmed CXS auto rack. Looks like it might be possibly being pulled by 3 engines in the front.
Wait, what just happened?
Looks like we have a confirmed 3 engine,
Triple header?
triple header, CXS auto rack.
Roger that. Coming over the grade. This is the possible reason why the train on that siding is waiting for this train to pass. This train has right of way. And yellow light confirmed on 2nd track, heading up for opposite direction.
Wait, looks like a quadruple header.
That is confirmed. Quadruple heading. 4 engines.
Looks like 3 big CXSs and 1 like yard engine. Wait, no, it's a different kind of big engine.
Supposedly, looks like 3 possibly dash 9s and supposedly an SD40-2. Yep, loaded to bear. Sure thing. I shall be back there. Watch the light though, that's coming.
I'll give you a thumbs up if it's moving.
Roger that. Like I said before, people, we are crawling the trains today. Stay tuned. And I think we got another one confirmed, folks. Heading from other way, coming another train. I'll show you. If you look way down there, you probably can't see it, but I can. It's there. And thus goodbye to a CSX auto rack.
Looks like we have a CXS mixed freight on first track.
And what did you say about it, Jay?
It looks like it's headed westbound.
I think you said it coming in hot.
Yeah, it's coming in hot.
All your stuff.
Sorry about that.
Want me to put it on the bench for you?
Oh, no thanks. I keep it by me at all times.
Alright.
Yeah, he's coming in a little fast.
Well, he's coming up the grade, so...
Yeah. He might be going a little slow, but once they get going down the grade, they get going quick.
Yeah, of course they gotta stop, though, and slow down because they're going into the yard.
Alright.
Is it just me, or does he look like he's slowing down already?
Looks like he's slowing down.
Alright.
Right? It sounds great. Looks like double engine.
Double header -9 looks like it.
Engine 64,
'Can you see the end of the train from here?
Yes, it looks like it's about maybe another quarter mile down. Quarter to a half mile down.
Mind if I take a look? That could probably be between a half mile and a quarter mile. shunt that you heard is the brakes being applied. That's the pressure being pushed back on the train. He's still going. He hasn't completely slowed down yet. Otherwise, we'd be hearing the screeching of the brakes more.
Looks like about half a quarter of a mile. Looks like we have a light coming down on second.
Gotta take a look. Hey Jay, what else we got? Anything else? Quite right. If you hear that, that's police sirens in the background. Jake?
Yeah.
I think you might want to watch as this thing goes by.
Oh, we got a glaring light on the track.
Hello?
Looks like another auto train.
Yeah, what do we say? Hot on the heels, right?
Right.
As I said before, we possibly called for a meet with this, and sure enough, we got a late one, but we got a meet. And as I did say, hot on the heels of the last one, same one on the 4th track. Am I right?
This train might also be the reason why that one's going to pull up down to the yard.
Most likely. As we did say, hot on the heels. see if we can see the end of this train. There's the end of this one.
Yep.
Hey! Look at that. There's a yellow light for both first and second tracks again.
Yeah, but nothing confirmed down that way.
Nothing yet that we can say.
Yeah.
Can't confirm it, but there's something down there. There might be one other way we can try, but we'll check that in a minute. Is it just me or did that sound like a train bell? Yep, that's the Norfolk Southern. What's the radar gun picking up?
Speed. I can't get it to work right. The last train was 13. This one doesn't seem to want to go. It's going too slow and I registered. It says 3, but it's not. It's going more than 3 miles an hour, right?
Yeah.
It'll start picking up speed. Like I said, it's going down the grade now. For any of you out there watching and wondering about this, the reason why is because the Depew station here up in Depew is at the top of the grade here. The grade means the angle of the tracks. The top of the grade means that this is the top. The train looks like it's speeding up now because it was coming up the grade from the yard. So now it's heading down grade and it's going to be heading eastbound. So it's going to start picking up speed. Okay? Good. Couple. Not too many though.
That's a nice thing for when you get this.
Oh my god!
There's a cargo caboose behind that thing.
Let me just take one last look.
Tell me.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are seeing it confirmed. This train that was on that siding over there, waiting for the past 2 trains to pass, we have it confirmed. That train has something on it that has not been seen on trains publicly with railroads for decades now. You are seeing on there a side cab Conrail caboose. That's something that used to be on trains years ago. That is a rarity, and I'm proud to be here to catch this.
Yeah,
Including my little buddy here, TrainConductorJ. This is incredible. Let's keep filming this.
Oh, yeah, that's definitely a Conrail caboose or some kind of blue caboose.
It's most likely Conrail. Not a lot of railroads are blue like that. Wait. That is indeed confirmed. Conrail caboose. I didn't even think Conrail still had cabooses anymore.
I love your enthusiasm. I'm serious. It's great.
Well, thank you. the audience.
They're probably moving it to another location. Conrail's not even in business anymore. They sold the CX.
In case any of you are wondering out there, he's right. Conrail hasn't really been in service since it got split between Norfolk Southern and CSX back in the 1990s. So this is an absolute rarity to catch here. Absolute rarity indeed.
Come on, Jake, let's go in for a minute. I was going to buy you a hot chocolate.
He's right, folks. We're a little late for this one, but we got a military train on the fly. Woo-wee! Hey, Jay, I bet that's what they were waiting for all the time. Jay, did you see that? I saw a howitzer. Look at that! Holy cow! M777s! In case any of you don't know what I just said, those two last cars were carrying a pair of M777 155mm airborne howitzers. Now that's awesome! Woo-wee! What a great thing for a last train, huh? Ain't that right, Jay?
That's right.
Woo! That was awesome!